Alright, so what we have here today is a 42-inch Hugger Ceiling Fan. Exactly what the brand is, of course, I have no idea. The fan is manufactured by CEI or Compass East Industries. Dates to 1988, 3-speed electrically reversible. White and polished brass finish. Blades are reversible from plane to stencil. Plane on top. Blade pitch, roughly 10 or 11 degrees. Curiously long switch housing, giving off some Emerson Longnose vibes. But other than that, it's a basically run-of-the-mill Hugger fan from the late 80s. Uses a 153 by 12, I want to say, motor. Performs quite decently for what it is. I think that pull fob is original. It's been tinged yellow with nicotine because this fan came out of a heavy smoker's house, along with the Landmark and the Walmart fan that I videoed, and a couple others I'm going to be videoing here shortly. Also came out of all the same house. But, yeah, not really much else to say about this thing. Like I said, I have no clue what it is. Possibly something from Sears or something completely different. Sears or JCPenney. Of course, I have no idea if I don't have any other kinds of information. So, let's see what she does. Starting up on low. Got a bit of hum to it. Bearings make a little bit of noise. Other than that, not too bad. Take it to medium. It's got a bit of startup harmonics to it. And here's high speed. Runs pretty well on high speed here, probably doing roughly, I would say, 210 RPM. It's got a slight wobble to it, but other than that, pretty smooth running fan. Moves a pretty decent sum of air for a Hugger. And that's all I got for this fan, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 42-inch white and polished brass CEI Hugger from 1988. So, stay cool. Peace.